What is going on, Street Drip? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having an exciting day, blessed day. Today we're going to finish the piece of the puzzle, the last piece I should say. So last video we put on these side skirts, came out really perfect. I love the way they look. Go back and watch that if you haven't already. Today we're going to finish the last piece of the puzzle, which are going to be the rear skirt pieces. So you're going to get this on each side that goes under there, the rear bumper, and then also the mid piece that goes under the diffuser as well, which is this guy. So stick around, we're going to get these put on and get this final finishing touch. I'm going to show you before and after so you can see what it looks like now, and then we'll see how it looks like after, and you guys can let me know what you think. So stay tuned, stick around. Alright guys, so while I'm down here, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the part that you're going to be putting the side skirt piece on, or I should say the rear piece. It's going to come all the way down to that point there, and that's pretty much where the piece is going to sit. While I'm down here, I'll show you the centerpiece location. So that's what that looks like. So that whole black part that you see right there, that's where the centerpiece is going to cover, and it actually fits snug into the same shape as you see there. So that's how it forms. Hopefully that's showing good on the camera so you get an idea. Let me back out a little bit. So there's the diffuser, that's right under, and then you got your exhaust, and then this is a side piece. It's gonna go right there. So I got it cleaned out. I got the piece mocked up. So let's get that on and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, there we have it, the finished product. See how that looks there? I just wiped it down, try to wipe out the fingerprints. Look how that connects. Ooh, so sick. And you got all the way to the front. Man, this looks really nice. Let's take a look back here, see how it looks from a distance. You can see that right there. I love it. Fits the contrast to the vehicle. Gives it a nice look. And I'm going to take it out and show you guys. I'm going to go do a wash so you can see what that looks like. Here's the other side here. Look how that came out. Really nice. See how it looks with that exhaust. So I'm pretty much got it even coming out with the cut of the car. So it matches right there, right to the point. Fits perfectly. They did a perfect mold on these. Here's the center. So the center, I got it started right also with the cut of the diffuser. Connects perfectly. Look how that looks all the way back. So nice. Look how it looks from a top view. You got that little poke out. Not too much, not too aggressive. You can see from the top of the bump, you can't see it, but as soon as you kind of go back, there it is. I think it came out really nice. So I'm going to take it outside for you guys. I'm going to go do run through a quick car wash. I know it's supposed to rain tomorrow, but I'll do it just for you guys so you can get the full effect, full look, and we'll do a full 360 walk around of the whole kit. Stay tuned. Alright guys, there it is. Car's freshly washed. We got the lip on. Look how that looks. So crazy. Look at the close-up right there. Sticks out just perfectly. And then you got the side. Oh, so nice. Look at that back view right there. Woo! That looks clean. Take a look at it with the side too. Look how that side comes out. Let's get back here so you can get a full understanding. Look at that. Comment below, let me know what you guys think, how it came out. Do a full walk around. Coming out to the front here. Look at the front. I think that looks really nice. Let's step back here, take it all in. Wow, I think they came out really clean. Let's take a look around back as well. I just think it completes it. It completes the whole look. Look how the back looks there with everything on there. There it is, guys. Nice and clean. She's all done. Let me know, comment below what you guys think. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next time around. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you appreciate all the work and details. And if you have any questions, always hit me up and I'll be glad to answer the questions for you. So once again, these are the Maxton Design Rear side skirts, and you got the center diffuser skirt as well. Really, really nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Stick around, stay tuned. Street Drip. We'll see you on the next one.